Hello, I'm 25. It's been a week. I'm trying to write my nature vlog commentary. This will all go into the video. On this day in May, I visited two parks, Puccini and Cactus Wren. My mindset these days have been pretty straightforward. I've been working the math and sub jobs as they come up. I've also tutored several different people. When I was at Puccini Park, I knew I took the car out there because I wanted to leave the house, get some B-roll footage of nature. I didn't expect I was going to do a voiceover. At the time, I thought I would film some more talking to camera shots, but I realized that I wanted to display the nature scenes. Paired with the music, I realized they're rather calming, and that's nice to me. At Puccini Park, I went under a tunnel and got to zoom in, like really zoomed in shots. I also remember a golf cart passing by. When I left to go to Cactus Wren Park, I remember this ladybug on the grass, and I wanted to make sure to capture that. There was this long slope that spanned a crisscross that I filmed, but I did not have the interest of advancing. I had no need to go on the other side of Sandrose Parkway. So I stayed in that park, thinking to myself about what I might say in this vlog, this little video.